Want to send money from Australia to India quickly and reliably using Western Union? Let's dive into a simple step-by-step guide. First, for online transfers, head to the Western Union website or open the mobile app. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. This involves providing your personal details and verifying your identity. Complete the registration form with your name, address, date of birth, and contact information. You might be asked to upload a copy of your ID for verification, such as your driver's license or passport. Once registered and logged in, click on Send Money. Select India as the destination country and enter the amount you wish to send in Australian dollars. Choose your preferred payment method. You can use a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Keep in mind that fees and exchange rates can vary depending on your chosen method. Next, enter the recipient's details accurately. This usually includes their full name, address, and bank account information. If you're sending directly to their bank, double-check everything. Review the transaction summary carefully. Pay attention to the fees, the exchange rate offered, and the total amount you'll be paying in Australian dollars. Complete the payment using your chosen method. Western Union uses secure payment gateways to protect your financial information. After the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation with a money transfer control number or MTCN. Share this MTCN with the recipient so they can track the transfer or pick up the money. Alternatively, you can visit a Western Union agent location to send money. A person bring a valid photo ID and the recipient's details. The recipient can then collect the money. A Western Union agent location in India by presenting their ID and the MTCN. Always compare exchange rates and fees before sending and ensure you're using secure methods. Happy sending!